Hey friends, it's been a while. I've not posted any eye look, and this is my new eye look that I have created using Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette. If you love this look, then keep watching as we will be learning how to do it. It's super easy. So the very first step is using an eye base. I am using 16-hour Camo CC concealer from ELF as an eye base. Although I really love Mehk Cosmetics soft paint Mehk Cosmetics paint pot, but today I tried to use concealer and set it with a loose powder. Now in Huda Beauty palette, I like this shade. This shade is Nirvana. It's like a brown shade with some pink undertone. It's super pretty. What I'm doing is I'm just packing the shade using eye tape as a guide, and I'm trying to diffuse the shade slowly towards my inner eyelid. So next in, I will be taking the shade Fearless. It is lighter than Nirvana but still a bit darker, and I'm packing the shade on my eyelid and I'm blending it slowly. So what I'm doing, I'm packing the shade and mixing both Nirvana and Fearless together using the same brush. No complications, just the same brush. Now I have changed the brush and I'm going in with mauve shade from the palette, and I'm just packing it on my eyelid, starting from my inner corner towards the middle of the eyelid. And you can see the color payoff is really good, but the problem is the Huda Beauty palette, it has got a lot of fall off, so I will be cleaning up later. Now if you see, I have added a little bit more of that pinky shade because I could see the transition is not clean. Now I'm going in with the shade Liberty, I guess it's a light pink shade, and I'm blending this harsh edges using the light pink shade. And if you think that still you see patchiness, you can add on more darker color like Nirvana or Fearless in your upper crease so that all the harsh edges are dissolved. Now you can see just by blending it slowly, the colors are getting diffused and it's looking a little bit pretty. Next, and I'm going in with light white shade from the palette, which is Heroine, to highlight my brow bone. And next, and I added silver shimmer using my fingers, and then I'm just blending the shimmer with a flat brush. Doing so gives a nice diffused look. And then I'm using the mauve shade in my lower lash line and adding a little bit of the shade Nirvana in my outer eyelid. Now this eye look is super easy to create. It's just the same colors, and if you want, you can go with a nude eye pencil in your waterline, but today I wanted to do black, so I used black coal. Okay, so now I'm using I Love Extreme mascara from Essence Cosmetics. It's really nice. I just popped in some lashes and this is my complete look. This look is super easy to create. Hope you had fun watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel if you love my content, as it will really motivate me to create more such videos. Till then, I will see you in next video.